What if we could glimpse into the future? Not in a mystical, fortune-telling way, but with data and thorough analysis. That's the essence of forecasting. It's the art and science of using historical data and trends to make informed predictions about future outcomes. Think of it as educated guessing, but on a much larger and more sophisticated scale. Businesses use it to predict demand, manage inventory, and plan production schedules. Governments rely on it for economic forecasts, population projections, and resource allocation. Even in our daily lives, we use forecasting when checking the weather or planning a commute. By anticipating future trends, we can make better decisions today. We can mitigate risks, seize opportunities, and chart a more successful course for the future. So, how do we navigate the world of forecasting and harness its power effectively? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating subject.
Section 4, Traditional Tools of the Trade, Conventional Forecasting Methods. Over the years, various methods have been developed to navigate the complexities of forecasting in different industries. One common approach is time series analysis, which is widely used. This method analyzes historical data patterns over time to project future trends and make informed decisions. Think of tracking sales data over several years to identify seasonal peaks and dips, which can be crucial for planning. Another widely used technique is regression analysis, known for its effectiveness. This method explores relationships between different variables to make accurate predictions. For example, a real estate company might use regression analysis to understand how interest rates and local economic factors influence property prices and market trends. While these traditional methods offer valuable insights, they often struggle to capture the dynamic complexities of modern manufacturing and business environments, which are constantly evolving.
Section 5. A Digital Crystal Ball. Manufacturing Simulation for Advanced Forecasting. As technology advances, so do our tools for peering into the future, making predictions more accurate and reliable. Manufacturing simulation emerges as a powerful solution to address the shortcomings of traditional forecasting methods, which often fall short. Imagine a virtual replica of your entire production process, from raw materials to finished goods, all in a digital space. This digital twin allows you to experiment with different scenarios, test assumptions, and predict outcomes with remarkable accuracy and efficiency. Manufacturing simulation leverages advanced software and algorithms to create a dynamic model of your production system. This model incorporates various factors, from machine capabilities and material flow to labor availability and market demand. The beauty of simulation lies in its ability to run countless what-if scenarios, providing deep insights. This level of foresight is invaluable in today's competitive landscape, giving businesses a significant edge.
Section 6. Forecasting in Action. Real-world applications. Now that we've delved into the power and potential of forecasting, let's explore some real-world applications that demonstrate its impact. From retail to healthcare and finance to manufacturing, forecasting is a game-changer across industries. Consider the retail sector, where accurate demand forecasting can make or break a season. By predicting which products will be in high demand, retailers can optimize their inventory, reduce waste, and increase sales. This not only improves profitability, but also enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring that popular items are always in stock. In healthcare, forecasting is used to predict patient admission rates, manage staffing levels, and ensure that critical supplies are available when needed. This helps hospitals run more efficiently and improves patient care by minimizing wait times and resource shortages. The finance industry relies heavily on forecasting to manage risk, allocate resources, and make investment decisions. By analyzing market trends and economic indicators, financial institutions can anticipate changes and adjust their strategies accordingly. Manufacturing, as we've seen, benefits immensely from advanced forecasting techniques like simulation. By predicting equipment failures, managing supply chains, and optimizing production schedules, manufacturers can reduce downtime, lower costs, and increase output. These examples highlight the transformative power of forecasting in various sectors. It's clear that businesses that harness the potential of forecasting not only survive, but thrive in today's competitive landscape. As we conclude this journey through the world of forecasting, remember that the key to success lies in continuously refining your methods, embracing new technologies, and staying adaptable. The future may be uncertain, but with the right tools and insights, you can navigate it with confidence. You need to watch this if you struggle with forecasting. In this section, we'll address some common questions and concerns about forecasting. How accurate are forecasting models? Accuracy depends on data quality and model complexity. Advanced techniques improve it. What if data changes rapidly? Use real-time data and adaptive models. AI tools excel here. Is forecasting only for large corporations? No, all businesses can benefit. Tailor tools to your needs. How do I choose the right method? It depends on your goals and data. Consult experts if needed. How can I ensure my team is on board? Communicate benefits and provide training. We hope this Q&A helps you leverage forecasting effectively. Thank you for joining us. Keep forecasting your way to success. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out to us or leave a comment below.